And here's a look at Vipercast through the afternoon. Rain chances remain pretty low for the northern Treasure Coast, for Okeechobee County. Could see a couple of showers drift into Martin County. And we could even see, here's 6:30 tonight, we could even see a couple of thunderstorms rolling from west to east through Palm Beach County during the late afternoon and evening hours, and then things quiet down overnight. And actually some drier air will move in for Friday. So rain chances go from about 20% today to about 10% tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday, and then back up to around 30% by the time we get to Monday. Now, there is a risk for rip currents along area beaches. Surf has actually come down quite a bit here, so it's about waist high right now. Temperatures today, mid-80s. For the most part, could hit a few upper 80s inland. That chance for isolated rainfall in Martin County and especially in Palm Beach County. Lots of sunshine for tomorrow as we head into the Mother's Day weekend. Keep a low chance for rain there. Temperatures on the rise, though. Upper 80s and maybe even some low 90s on Mother's Day.